Hey guys, my name is Apur Agrawal. Hope you are having an amazing day. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I put out videos just like these every single week. Every beginner is confused in what workout he or she should perform while joining the gym because your progress is highly dependent on it. You have to eat right, you have to recover right, and you have to work out right in order to make some good progress. 2 weeks ago I made a video on why I feel like push-pull leg is the best split in the world. I put it in the description box below. But that split is best for people who have been lifting for a while. But what about the people who are completely new? For the people who have just joined the gym, that's when upper lower comes in. I've talked about it before, but today I'll be explaining it in detail and will also give you a free workout plan. So if that sounds interesting, let's get into the video. So this is how an upper lower split week looks like. We have upper lower, rest day, then again upper lower and rest. 4 times per week. People even do it 6 times per week. It depends totally upon you and your body. But doing it 4 times per week is the sweet spot, man. Your body can easily recover from it. On upper days, obviously you will do your upper body, man. For example, your chest, shoulder, tricep, bicep and back. And on legs day, that is your lower split, you will do complete leg workout. For example, your calves, quads, hamstrings, glutes. Now, whenever a newbie goes into the gym, your trainer tells you to do the bro split, which is doing chest on Monday, Tuesday shoulder, Wednesday back and so on, which is really bad for you. Upper lower split on the other hand will make your progress 10 times better. Because number 1, you will be hitting each muscle group twice per week. In bro split, you are hitting each muscle group only once per week, which slows down your progress, man. But in upper lower, you will hit them twice per week. Number 2, because the volume is less. When you do push-pull legs, the volume is a lot. You only have one rest day. It is the best for intermediate and advanced lifter, but not for a newbie, man. If you do anything in excess, it will harm you, man. Upper lower, on the other hand, will give you a lot of rest time, which is really crucial for you. So as far as the program is considered, this is program completely made by me. I have combined strength and hypertrophy in it. In upper lower, majority of the exercises are compound. There are tons of upper lower programs out there, man. I followed this workout routine myself and even my clients have done it and they all made great progress. So here it is. For upper A and lower A, both days we have started with the compound and each muscle group is being hit here. Also the reps in the first exercises is less because it is meant to increase your strength. So yeah, take a screenshot of this and perform it, man. That you hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends. So upper A will be done on Monday and lower A will be done on Tuesday. Then we got a rest day on Wednesday. Then we got upper B and lower B. Just like earlier, in this days too we have started with a compound movement. But the exercises are somewhat different. Make sure to take the screenshot again. To be done on Thursday and Friday. Saturday and Sunday are meant to be rest day. If gyms are open for you on Sundays, you can even start on that day. Just make sure that you are taking a rest day after 2 workout sessions. So in conclusion, this workout is meant for a complete beginner. If you are a man, then make sure to take a screenshot and do these exercises. Do them for at least 5 to 6 months. After a while, if you feel like your body is getting habitual to it, the volume is less, then shift to push-pull legs, which is 6 days per week. I've already made a video on it and also given a free workout routine just like this on that video too. So save that video as well. So yeah, that was the workout routine for an upper lower split. If you have a friend who is confused as well and is in a need of a workout routine, do share this video with him or too, man. That's it guys for today. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.